right.
This is the lock bar.
And putting the lock bar on.
Mm-hmm.
Here's the tricky part with the springs, right?
Mm.
I know I've tried to do this myself, and it's not easy. So, hopefully, get the two springs in there; they'll stay in place.
It's just one spring.
Oh, one spring. Okay. Let's see here. The spring is in place.
Okay, the next is the bottom part of the box. The A goes to the front where your tips are.
Show me the A.
Pops on.
And the A is on the front of the jaw. And she just pushed and it popped right in place. Now it holds that spring.
Mm-hmm. And you have a brass washer.
A brass washer inside the cup. And you got the screw and then the top plate. The top plate also has letters. It needs to be A to A.
Just goes right in. Your spring.
Put a large spring on it. You push that down and hold it in place. You flip it over and you have a nut on the bottom. It's actually in its own little square housing here, and you drop it in. Now, with your right finger, she holds it and then begins screwing the cap on. That holds the top assembly. Alright. Shoulder stop, tip stop.
And there you have your jaw.
There we got it. Xtreme jaw. Handmade by Joan.